This machine costs around $10,000, but it can generate up to $600 per day. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. Not everyone who buys this machine actually makes money. So in this video, we're going to break down everything. The cost, the production, and the real profit. To see if this is a real business opportunity or just hype. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to show you the biggest mistake that causes most people to fail in this business. Welcome to BizBox, where we turn machines into real businesses. If you're serious about starting a small manufacturing project, this channel will give you the exact blueprint you need. A few weeks ago, I visited a small workshop. It wasn't a big factory. No fancy equipment, just one machine and a small team. But what shocked me was that they were producing thousands of paper cups every single day and selling all of them. That's when I decided to analyze this machine. This is a fully automatic paper cup making machine. It takes paper rolls and converts them into finished disposable cups. The machine can produce around 60 cups per minute, which equals 3,600 cups per hour. And the best part, it only needs one operator to run it. Let's break down how it works. First, paper rolls are loaded into the machine. Then, the machine forms the cup shape. After that, it seals the edges using heat. Finally, the cups are cut and ejected as finished products. The entire process takes just a few seconds per cup. Now, let's talk about the numbers, because this is what really matters. The machine costs around $8,000. Shipping, installation, and initial materials will cost another $2,000. So, your total investment is approximately $10,000. Now, let's look at the production cost. Each cup costs about $0.02 to produce, and the average selling price is around $0.05 per cup. That gives you a profit of $0.03 per cup. If you produce 20,000 cups per day, you can make around $600 per day in profit. That means your monthly profit can reach up to $15,000, depending on your ability to sell your products. But here's the reality that most videos won't tell you. This machine does not guarantee success. The biggest mistake people make is buying the machine before they find customers. And that's exactly why many small businesses fail. The real business is not production. The real business is selling. Successful owners focus on supplying coffee shops, partnering with restaurants, selling in bulk to distributors. Some even create their own brand and print custom designs on the cups. You can buy this machine from Chinese manufacturers, Indian suppliers, or local distributors in your country. Always make sure you check warranty, spare parts availability, technical support, because downtime can cost you money. So, is this machine a gold mine? Yes, if you have a clear sales strategy. No, if you expect easy or passive income. This is a real business that requires planning, effort, and consistency. If you want a full business plan for this machine, check the link in the description. And tell me in the comments, would you invest in this business? Subscribe to BizBox and start building your manufacturing future. Now let's talk about where these paper cups are actually used. Paper cups are everywhere. Coffee shops use them daily. Fast food restaurants depend on them. Juice bars, events, offices, and even street vendors all need disposable cups. This means one important thing. There is constant demand in the market. Once you start producing and selling successfully, You can expand your business in multiple ways. You can produce different cup sizes. You can offer custom printing for brands. You can even supply large chains with long-term contracts. And this is where small businesses turn into real factories. But let's be realistic. There are some hidden costs you need to consider. Electricity costs can increase depending on usage. Maintenance is required to keep the machine running efficiently, and you may need storage space for raw materials and finished products. Ignoring these costs can reduce your actual profit. Another important factor is competition. In some areas, this business is already competitive. That's why your advantage should not be just price, but quality, consistency, and strong customer relationships. One of the smartest ways to increase profit is branding instead of selling plain cups. You can offer printed cups with logos. Businesses are willing to pay more for branded packaging, and this can significantly increase your profit margins. Once your business starts generating steady income, you can scale up, you can add more machines, you can hire a small team, and you can expand your distribution network. This is how a simple idea becomes a serious business. So after everything we've analyzed, this machine is not just a tool, it's a business opportunity. But like any business, your success depends on your execution. If you focus on sales, quality, and consistency, this machine can generate real income. But if you ignore the market, it will just be an expensive piece of equipment. If you're serious about starting a manufacturing business, this could be your first step. Let me know in the comments, would you invest in this machine or not? And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to BizBox. Because here, we don't just show machines. We show real business opportunities.